Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can fix the lag and the FPS drops in Heroes of Might and Magic Golden Era. Now we're just going to go to settings in here, we're going to find the video option, and I want you to, first of all, let's focus on the resolution. If you're having trouble and you're playing on 4K, I recommend that you try it with, Full HD or 180p. Alright, that's going to give you for sure much better FPS. Now display mode, I'm going to recommend that you actually use full screen. This has been proven to work with a lot of people. So just use full screen instead of like borderless window. These effects do not really matter much, they're just like kind of visual, but they do not impact the FPS. So in my opinion, you shouldn't really change them or lower them. However, the thing you're going to turn off for sure. The anti-aliasing you want to keep off to FXA or TAA. I personally use TA because FXAA is much blurry and I don't like it so much. Maximum FPS you should turn off. And now, quality preset, like all of these textures in here, you should keep the SSL quality to either low or medium or none. The reflection, they should be turned to none, and the shadows quality should be turned to medium or high. They don't really make a lot of the difference. I've tested them. Okay, so just turn off the reflections pretty much and the ambient occlusion. And then you're gonna get much better FPS. Thanks so much.